It's 2-Minute Tuesday. I know, it's exciting. Yeah, well, in today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to share with you a stamp carving that resembles a postage stamp. So I'm carving a stamp of a stamp. This is a cute stamp that you can use on envelopes. You can use it in your journal. You could actually stamp it on sticker paper and cut it up and make little faux postage stamps. I think that would be really fun. And you can also embellish them a little bit too. So let's go see what I have up my sleeve for 2-Minute Tuesday today. So I came up with this postage design stamp, and I was just playing around with writing this out in several ways and stacking the letters, and I eventually settled on this cute design. So when I was ready to sketch out my design, I just sketched it directly onto tracing paper that had a grid on it, which was really advantageous for working within a certain parameter on this stamp and keeping it looking relatively even. Then I transferred the design onto the rubber material, and I was lucky because I was able to squeeze it right on the very edge of this one little piece of rubber material that I had, and it worked out pretty well. I was pretty happy with it. So after I've transferred the design to the rubber material, I'm ready to cut it away from the larger block, and then I just jump in and start carving. Now, I go into great detail about how I carved this stamp in my next video, which is my Studio Vlog 09. So be sure to check that out because I go into great detail talking about my thought process with positive and negative space. And I talk about deciding to leave the little interior heart inside the bigger heart. And things like that, I just sort of make it up as I go along. And I give you some other tricks too. Also in Studio Vlog 09, I share a really fun abstract paint and stamp collage style process that you definitely want to check out. Now it's time for a test print, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks for joining me for 2-Minute Tuesday. Again, you know, this is YouTube. You know what to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video.